Today I'm going to be showing you about the 3D Brain app. 3D Brain is an interactive app about the anatomy of the human brain. You can rotate it 360 degrees to see all the parts of the brain and zoom in and out. If you click the Structures button up in the top right hand corner, it brings up the 29 structures of the brain. You can click on a specific structure, like we'll click on Bones, and it highlights that specific area of the brain. You can zoom in to see it better and rotate it. If you click the Info button, it tells you all about the bones. It tells you the overview, which is the basic information about that area of the brain. Case studies, which are studies that scientists have done about that section of the brain. The associated functions, which is what that area of the brain controls in your body. The associated cognitive disorders, which are disorders that are caused by that area of the brain. And the associated damage, which is what happens if you injure that section of your brain. There's also research reviews. You can click on the link to view more detailed reviews and studies of that area of the brain. And there's a link down at the very bottom that you can click to for more info. If you click the Info button again, it goes away and goes back to the original screen. You can click the Labels button, and it puts an arrow to that specific part of the brain and tells you the name of it. If you click the Search button, you can type in any part of the brain you want to know about. We'll type in cerebellum, and it brings up all the things about the cerebellum that it has. You can click on Research Reviews, and it takes you straight to the research reviews on the cerebellum in your infos. And then you can click on the link and view any of that you want. There's a Help and About button at the very bottom of the question mark. If you click it, it pulls up a little screen that tells you all about how to use the app and what it does. In the bottom left-hand corner, there's the little arrows, and you can click the arrows, and it scrolls through all the structures of the brain that you can view without having to go to the structures list. This app is very educational and is very good for especially high school and college anatomy students. The only bad things about it is it's kind of advanced, so if you don't already kind of know what you're doing, it's kind of difficult to learn because it's very advanced terms and stuff. The end.